Hello, Islam here from Latest Flex. That's the lecture number 17. It's a basic to advanced Go High Level training in which I'm going to explain Go High Level basic to advanced in a practical. That's the most important lecture. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the sites that we have featured in a Go High Level, in which we are going to discuss about the funnels, about the website store, and even we are also discuss about the forms, a survey as well. So let's dive in video and I will discuss about all things. So first of all, I'm just going to the sites. Let me log in our test account that we have created for this course. I'm just logging my test account, and here we can see we have different functionality in a site section. We have almost new Go High Level here, and here you can see we can design funnel here, we can design websites, we can design store here, we can design webinars. Here we have analytics, blog section we can design here, we can host our WordPress here, and we have client portal. It's basically something like a community. We have form sections, we have survey, we have quiz, we have chat widgets, and we have QR code as well. Basically I'm going to discuss about the funnels, and I will create one funnels and I will introduce you some of the features of funnels. The next video I'm going to discuss about how you can design and how you can implement all these stuff on Go High Level. So it's a super easy. I'm just going to create folder here. It's a good habit if you can create folder for all things, like for automations, for funnel, for forms, for workflows. That would be too good to manage your all things professional way. So I'm going to say that test funnels, and I just confirm it and simply log in into folder, and we have two option here. You can click here, either you can click here, it's the same. I just click here, and here we have three option. We can use from blank and create our own design from scratch, and the second option is a beta version of AI. In this features you can just give to command to the AI, and AI design all funnels for you, and it's obviously paid, it's not a free. The next feature is we can design funnel with AI, but in this case we will give command to the AI, and AI will design your funnels for you, and all things. They can manage content, design each and everything. They can design according to your requirement, but obviously it's a beta version and they charge some amount as well for using this command, this feature. So we have third features. We can use template. We have different templates in our Go High Level. We can utilize them for our funnel design. Most of the cases we are going to use template, but right now I'm going with the blank, and here we have blank, and I just need to give the name of the funnel. I would like to say this is test. Let's say test funnel. And let's create this. This is the name of funnel. Then in the funnel we will create, yes, the funnel is created, and here we have all these features. Here you can see we have stat, we have sales, we have security, and also events. I will go through one by one and you will get idea how it's work. Though in the first step we have step here. Step means the pages. As you see, we have different pages, websites, like you see in a WordPress website, Wix website, and websites have different pages, and but in a Go High Level we just call them steps, not we are not going to call the pages. So for example, I just create first step and we say that so home. I just need to give the path, and if you want to import from ClickFunnels, simply go here, but I'm not importing from anywhere, and I'm not going to give them a path right now. But yes, here you can see we have one step, and here you can create other pages as well. And let me go to the stat, and here you can track your all stat, how many visitor visit your landing page, how audience react with your landing page, how they place order, what quantity of sales, what amount you make, average cart value, earning page, and unique things. All things are happening under, there here you can basically it's a basically analytics. You can manage your all things, your stats, your each and everything, traffic, audience, and action reactions. You can also track, you can all things track here. Another one is sales, and here you can track your sales. For example, you have a store and you have any product on your landing page, you can track all your sales and conversions here. And here we have some security. If you have some headers for security purpose, you can add here security headers. And here we have events. For example, you have specific events like for Facebook pixel, you have Google Analytics. You can put your event here and you can track each and everything here from as well. And here we have setting. That's the main thing in a funnels. In the first step of setting, what we are going to do, we are just we can change name here. If we have domain, we can link domain here. And here if we not give the path on the creating page, it will be automatically fetched from the funnel name. And here is a fav icon URL. You can put your fav icon URL here. And fav icon is like, you see icon of my agency, this one you can put here. That's called fav icon. You can put here for your page. And also you can add tracking code here, and body tracking you can put your, if you want to track head code, you can use this. If you want to add code in a body, you can use this. And here you can add chart widget. In later video I will going to explain how you can add chart widget. Your payment mode on, your require code values on. These are option if you want to on. If you have store type something landing page, then you can on it, otherwise you can disable it. And here we have a GDRP. So if you have any fonts that you can use for your page, you can allow here or access all pages. That's basically a basic step of the funnel. In the next video I'm going to show you how we can design funnel. And here we have also variations for A/B testing. If you want to do some A/B testing, you can create variation of this and you can utilize them for split testing, for A/B testing. And here we have product. If you have products in your payment system, you have make product, you can simply import here and you can use them on a page as well. And it's a just public URL. When your domain is linked, you can simply publish this page for online, for live page, and you can then utilize their URL for anywhere in the world. So that's it. And here we have two buttons. One is lead funnel and one is a clone step. For example, you want to clone this one, you can clone here. And here if you want to preview your page, simply click on it. Right now we have nothing on the page and it's a empty page. And here we have setting. It's almost the same page URL setting. You can change path here as well if you forget once you're creating the page, and if you're not able to create the setting, then here you can create your page. So that's it from this video. I have discussed basic of all pretty much about the funnels. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, and also comment video if you have any question. And if you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com. Book your free consultation here and I will jump on the call and I will guide you all things step by step. And also if you need any funnel designing service, here you can see my portfolio. I did lot of funnel designing work for my different client, and after that you can hire me or book free consultation and I will guide you step by step as well. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video.